got a USB cord, plug your phone in, charge it. AM, PM setting, alarm clock setting, dimmer switch, low, medium, and high. And then it also has this projection arm. You can rotate it and elevate it and direct it on any wall. Works in the dark. It casts the time up against a surface on the other side of the room, and we've got numbers about that high. So you wake up in the middle of the night and you wear glasses like I do, you ain't got to strain to see what time it is. It comes in regular and military time. And there you have it.